corrosion on the metal. Okay, first part is corrosion. So in corrosion we have see about first part, second part. Second one, theories of corrosion. Third one, all of you take the note about it. Fielding paper rule. Next one, electrochemical corrosion is 5. Types, there are two types of electrochemical corrosion. First one, galvanic corrosion. Second one, differential aeration corrosion. Factors influencing the rate of corrosion. Last one, measurement of corrosion. Here, control methods. First one, sacrificial anode production method. Second one, corrosion inhibitors. Next one, protective coating. Next one, pre-treatment of vessel surface. Next one, metallic electroplating. Electroless plating. Non-metallic. Hot dipping process. Anodizing. Last one, ceramic coating. Ceramic coating. Paint. So that are the overall topics which are covered in your unit 3. Okay, first one is the corrosion and its control method. This first two part is fully explained about what are the reasons for corrosion, what are the theories of corrosion, how it should be generated. If one of the corrosion process, how it should be generated. This is all explained by this one. Introduction, theories of corrosion, types of corrosion, filling method rule. Next one, which are the factors which are increasing or decreasing the corrosion process. These are all explained here. Second one, how it should be controlled or explained by various processes. Maximum it should be explained by the coating process and also painting process. Okay, that are all some of the coating process. Protective coating, the hot dipping, galvanizing, pinning. Okay, then electroplating, electroless plating. That are all coating techniques. Okay, second one, paints and its constituents. So for the first part is fully explained about how the corrosion process should be generated. Second process is fully explained about how it should be controlled. Okay, note it. maximum. So atmospheric gases like oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen that are all attack on the metal surface which leads to the corrosion. Okay. So nature, native, what is that? Main practical usage to reduce the corrosion. என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Coating. So especially if you taking minerals. So usually if you taking the gold. Gold is a element or compound. Anybody? Gold is element or compound? Element. Okay. If you take the A2O, that is called ionic oxide. That is called calamite. Okay. Calamite by is a compound. So usually all the elements are obtained in a compound form, whether it is obtained in oxide form or sulfide form or sulfate form. Okay, copper blend Cu2S. Okay, copper is a copper Cu, copper blend is Cu2S. So all the minerals are obtained in a compound form. So the noble that are called noble metals, that is the compound of the metals. Okay, the noble metals undergo corrosion very least than that of its compound. அப்ப நம்ம டென்ஷன் எப்படி கிடைக்கும்? It should be obtained compound form. Whether it is obtained in oxide form, yes, oxide form is A2O. Copper oxide Cu2O. Okay, copper pyrite இன்னொரு பேர் என்ன? Copper oxide. Copper blend Cu2S. Okay, so copper is obtained in a form of sulfide or oxide or sulfate. Similarly, for all the elements are obtained in a form of sulfide, oxide or sulfate. Okay, so the noble metal means single metal. Okay, we should be extract the gold from the calamite by the various process. What are the process you know? Already you are studying in 12th standard. Cross flotation process, gravity separation methods. So that are some of the process to separate the element from the ores. Already we know it. Okay, so single noble metals are least corrosion than that of than its compound. Because noble metal is highly in oxidation state. So, but compound is least in a lower oxidation state. Okay, so noble metal have least corrosion than that of the compound. Compound or it should undergo easily corrosion. But noble metal should not be undergo corrosion. That only we have give the coating the noble metal on the metal surface. For example, if you are lastly you have seen one of the golden color coating on the children mission, that is a multi insulation. Okay, so maximum the kind of noble metals can be used for the coating because it does not form the oxide film or some other films on the with the environment, so does not undergo the corrosion. That is the reason. Okay, see next one, that is called native form, that is called combined form. So the native form is least corrosion than that of the combined form. So what is corrosion? Corrosion is a deterioration or effect on the metal surface. Okay, note it. Define corrosion. Define corrosion. Corrosion is defined as the gradual destruction or deterioration. Gradual destruction or deterioration of metals or alloys. What is the meaning of alloy? Mixing of metal is called alloy. Which are the maximum element which is used for the alloy? Chromium. Chromium is the best for alloy. Okay, alloy means it is the metal which is chromium is called alloy. That's all. Okay, so our alloy by the chemical or electrochemical reaction with its environment So corrosion is nothing but it is a what is that? Defined as the gradual destruction or deterioration of the metal or alloy of the metal or electrochemical reaction with its environment. Okay, so what are the causes of corrosion? Usually the metal can be obtained in a native form and also the combined form. So the native form does not undergo corrosion very easily compared to that of the combined form. Combined form is what is the meaning? What is the meaning for combined form? There will be certain oxide or sulfate that is called combined form. Okay, that is called copper, that is gold, that is gold oxide, gold sulfate or gold sulfate or copper. Copper is the native form. Copper oxide, copper sulfide or copper, what is the sulfate? Okay, so native form is the purest element. Combined form is nothing but it is the attaining a sulfide or oxide or sulfate form. All understand? Okay, next one, we discuss about the theories of corrosion. See, next one we discuss about the theories of corrosion. There are two main theories here we discuss about the corrosion. First one, dry or chemical corrosion. Second one, wet or electrochemical corrosion. So first one we discuss about dry or chemical corrosion. First one, where the metal surface are attacked by oxide or sulfide or nitrogen or any atmospheric gases, that is called dry or chemical corrosion. So chemical corrosion is nothing but the metal surface which is attacked by the oxygen or sulfide or nitrogen, any one of the atmospheric gas. What are the combination of atmospheric gases? Anybody? What are the gases are present in our atmosphere? Okay, so some of the pollutant also mixing in our atmosphere. Okay, so that kind of atmospheric gases were attacked on the metal, it leads to the corrosion. That kind of corrosion is called dry or chemical corrosion. Okay, next one, see, there are three main types of dry corrosion. First one, corrosion by oxygen. Types of dry corrosion. There are three types of dry corrosion. What are they? First one is the corrosion by oxidation. Second one, corrosion by hydrogen. Third one, liquid metal corrosion. All of you notice? So, first one, dry or What is that? Book is a oxide film. Out of this, otherwise are called environment. Okay, this box is the metal. This surface is called a oxide film. Otherwise are called environment. Okay, so listen. See, this is the metal. This is oxide film which is covered on the metal, and otherwise remaining all the environment. Okay, see, this is called metal oxide interface. Metal oxide interface. It is nothing but it is the bridge between metal and oxide film. That is called metal oxide interface. Say one more time. Metal oxide interface. Metal oxide interface is nothing but it is the bridge of both metal and also oxide film. Okay. Next one. This is oxide film. Already we know that. Okay. This oxide film. This edge is called oxide film environment interface. See this corner, which is the junction of both metal and oxide film. That junction is called metal oxide interface. Interface means junction. Okay. So this junction is called, what is that? It is the oxide film and also the environment. So that is called metal oxide, oxide film and also environment interface. Okay, see, just imagine that. Now we see the mechanism of corrosion of oxygen. Yes, ma'am. Juliet Green, ma'am. Already tell the introduction. Now I again I tell the introduction. I'm asking ma'am whether you have given introduction or not. Yes, ma'am. Yes. See, next one, we see about corrosion due to the oxygen. Corrosion due to the oxygen is nothing but that is the direct attack of oxygen on the, what is the metal surface, that is called. Already we say that. What is the reason for corrosion? Atmospheric gases which is stick on the metal surface is called reason for the corrosion. Here, direct attack on oxygen on the metal surface is called corrosion due to the oxygen. Okay, see. There are two main reasons. First one is at low temperature how it is behaved, at high temperature how it is behaved. At low temperature, especially alkali metal and alkali earth metals undergo the corrosion. Don't talk. Just only I see. Don't talk. So at low temperature, alkali metal and alkali earth metal undergo the corrosion. What is the alkali metal and alkali earth metal? Do you know that? Just imagine the periodic table. Okay, see the periodic table. Okay, this 2 is called a black element. That is E black element. We are talking black element. That is black element. Okay, these 2 rows is called, first one is the alkali metal, second one is the alkali earth metal. Some of the example of alkali metal is lithium. black element are present. Okay, so alkali metal and alkaline earth metal undergo corrosion very easily at the low temperature. At high temperature, maximum all the elements undergo corrosion except gold, platinum and silver. Okay, at low temperature, these alkali metal and alkaline earth metal undergo corrosion by oxygen very easily. Okay, at high temperature, all the metals means all the S black element, B black element undergo corrosion very easily except gold, platinum and also silver. Okay, so note it. So next one, mechanism. Corrosion by oxygen. See, usually mechanism of corrosion by oxygen occurs in oxidation, reduction and net reaction. Students of that before that. In oxidation is nothing but is that metal liberation of 2 electrons should be converted into the metal ion. We get 2 electrons. Listen. Metal is converted into the metal ion by the liberation of the 2 electrons. Okay. So that is the first. That is all. This reaction mainly occurs in metal oxide interface. Second one, this oxygen accepted 2 electrons and should be converted into oxygen ion. This reaction occurs in oxide-free environment interface. What of listen here? First one, when metal is converted, that is called, which reaction is that? See the reaction, tell me.
Oxidation reaction.
It is oxidation.
2 electrons.
It is called oxidation, okay. So, the oxidation occurs in metal oxide interface. That means that place. You understand? The oxidation is occurs in metal oxide. That is called oxide. This is called metal oxide. Okay, metal oxide interface. In the இடத்துல என்ன நடக்கும்? First reaction நடக்கும். Metal is converted into the metal ion. Okay, listen. This liberating 2 electron are accepted by the oxide team. We get oxygen to ion. Okay, so these reactions are occurring oxide-free
environment interface.
environment interface. In the environment interface la nadkum. Okay, there are 2 kinds of reaction. First one, anode reaction. Anode reaction means oxidation. Oxidation occurs in metal oxide interface. Reduction reaction occurs in metal oxide environment interface. Okay, net reaction. Finally, we get the net reaction. Say, what is that? These 2 electron and this 2 electron cancel. Now we get
M2 plus.
because M2 plus O2 minus combined we get the metal oxide. That is the net reaction. This reaction occur in metal and also overall oxide free. Note it. That is the net reaction. So this is the anode reaction.